In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Sierra Chart. Now, the first thing you could do here inside Sierra Chart is you could go to Edit up top left, and then you could click on Delete All Data and Download, and this will partially do the trick. However, if you want to delete and basically reset everything whatsoever, what you want to do is first shut down your Sierra Chart desktop application. Okay, so just close it down, and I'm going to do a no over here. And then what you have to do is open up your File Explorer. Now, when you open up the File Explorer, go to this PC and then select your C drive, and then just find the location where you have your Sierra Chart installed. So for me, it's just down here, as you can see inside the C drive. I'm going to double click on that, and then in here you want to look for a specific file which is called sierra4.config. Okay, click on that and then just delete it, and whenever you delete that, you will basically be able to open up Sierra Chart again, and then this will delete the settings and basically reset it. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.